even as a scientist. I just simply care what is objectively true. And science happens.
You know who sounds redundantly ignorant to actual truth opposed to any other kind of truth, being it that truth is the truth, and anything other than the truth is a lie. I mean, you're forced to say it in court. Do you promise to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Does science hold up in court? Like, do they get scientists to make an actual law? You know what I mean? Let's see here. There's 4 truths as a model that helps you understand such a phenomenon, because it describes 4 ways people see their own truth in a world. Objective truth is what exists and can be proved in this physicality, such as the sun moves across the sky each day. That is fucking hilarious and a complete lie. But normative truth is what we as a group agree is true. Like, we all need water, right? Right? We all need it, right? That would be like a normative truth, which still isn't even the truth. You know what I mean? Probably not. Here, let me help you. The normative truth that we need anything is really just a lie we tell ourselves. Objective truth. The sun exists, shines light, and when we are faced to that light, it turns the night sky blue. This is a mirage. In this mirage, we believe that there's a day that cycles day and night, only due to a rotation, meaning the day doesn't exist. It only exists as a lie inside of the night sky. Furthermore, the question of absolute truth exists in a field or discipline continues to be hotly debated. Exists in any field or discipline continues to be hotly debated. Some have argued that all truth is relative, and no absolute truth exists. But this conclusion is self-contradictory. I'm like dyslexic or something. Read and write that way. Anyways, there's no absolute truth, and that is the absolute truth, right? Wrong. So that sentence would contradict itself, meaning that there is an absolute truth. And this tech target is just lying. Alright, so what are examples of objective truth? X is not a mental state of a person. X is the objective. What makes it true that climate change is happening? The fact that average temperature on Earth is rising. So you mean to say that temperature exists hot and cold. Both are here, and if you're in one, then the other does not exist. That's an objective truth, right? But does the hot and cold exist? Do we exist? We exist, and if we are hot, we are feeling hot. Our feelings, something that, like, I can't feel your feelings, you can't feel my feelings, therefore what I'm feeling and experiencing is true to me, yet not true to you. So really, who can really judge anybody? Like, if I can't see what you're seeing, even if I'm seeing it too, which is a quote, then how can I fully judge you at all based on morals? Like, wow. Let's see here. Ideas that show objectivity are based on facts. In science, even hypotheses, like guesses, ideas, or thoughts. Just thoughts. Everybody has thoughts. You want to be a scientist. About ideas about how something may work. So here's my thought on it. This is what I feel would happen. This is what I believe. This is my opinion. Yet science would say that is a scientific method. But we are not scientists. We are people having thoughts. And what might be true on one world may not be true on another. Kind of like the multiverse. But there is an absolute truth. We are all here forever and always in a black hole, as we are gods, the supreme being. Oh man, I'm not a scientist, I'm a philosopher.